Hello, I'm in a 2017 GMC Acadia, and I'm going to show you today how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, we will start the car. Wait just a moment for everything to load. But in the meantime, make sure your device is turned on with this blue highlighted. And typically too, from this blue button, if you hold it, it'll take you to your Bluetooth options on your phone. So at which point here, once everything's booted up here, depending on what screen you're on here, you want to go to your phone button, which brings you to this screen. Pair new device. And then on your phone, you want to make sure, again, your Bluetooth's on. And you're in the scanning mode, which right now it is. So we should see something pop up for, this looks like GMC IntelliLink would be what we want. And now it's trying to do confirmation, so yes on this end and yes on the phone or the car end. That's it. Now you should be all paired. Typically every car has a limit also to how many phones can be saved in the memory for pairing, so you might have to delete one before you can add a new one. But at this point, my phone should let you take phone calls, listen to music, things like that. Might take a few tries. Sometimes it's just how technology is. Just restart the car, restart the phone, something like that. A lot of models won't let you connect while you're driving, so you might need to park first and try again. And then, yeah, otherwise, if for some reason these buttons aren't here, for some reason it's not working right, you can also usually connect with buttons like this. That takes you to voice commands that help walk you through like options like add phone, Bluetooth connection, delete phones, things like that. But that's it. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.